Hello, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to private likes on X. If you're wondering how to private likes on X, then here's the simple answer. You don't need to change anything at all because X already made likes private for everyone in 2024. So tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and access your profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here. You need to go to likes section, and this is the section where you will see your own list of likes. And other people cannot see this tab on your profile. Nobody, I mean followers and non-followers, nobody can see this tab on your profile because it's automatically private. But here's a little thing that posts that you like may still pop up in your followers feed with a note that says that this user liked this post. But yes, again, as I said earlier, nobody can browse your likes tab. So let me prove it by switching to my another X account, and I will go to my previous account that I have just used. And as you can see, here is no likes tab, and basically no one can see it in my profile. But if you want to stay completely invisible with your posts that you want to save, you should use feature with bookmarks instead of likes. So go to a specific post that you want to save, and below it find this bookmark icon, tap it, and at the top you see message post added to your bookmarks. And basically you can access them if you tap your profile picture in the top left, and here is a list of the sections, and go to bookmarks, and boom, this is the post that I have just saved. So yes, those bookmarks are 100% private and they will never appear in anyone's feed. Yes, so that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.